Let's make these super easy amethyst stone earrings with a pendant, and welcome to Beaded by Malia. And these are the items you are going to need, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the eye pin. The eye pin is a piece of wire that already has a loop at the end. These are usually sold like this. So I decided to get these, and with that we are going to add a silver bead. Now the bead that I'm using is actually a crimp bead, and crimp beads are usually used on earring hooks as well. So this is the kind of crimp bead that I'm using here as a spacer between the loop and the amethyst chip. And then we are going to add about 3 amethyst gemstone chips, and then we are going to add another bead on the top, which is another crimp bead, and then we are going to use a round nose plier to make another loop at the end. So with this eye pin, it will have 2 end loops. So sometimes when you are making the loops might not be aligned. So I like to use another plier to help me just align the loops, just to make them straight. Because we are not robots, we are humans, so not everything's going to be 100% perfect. I'm doing the second earring as well. So this butterfly pendant that I have has already a jump ring attached to it, and this jump ring is welded together, so I can't open it. So I'll be using another jump ring to attach to the jump ring that's already on the pendant to add it to the rest of the amethyst stone section. Now that we have both pendants on both of the amethyst stone sections, we are going to be adding the earring hook. So with the earring hook, we are going to open up a jump ring, add the earring hook, and add the rest of the earring to the earring hook. We're going to do the same with the second earring as well. And that was super quick, super easy, beautiful looking earrings, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something. Like and subscribe if you do enjoy this kind of content, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.